beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make our very own whipped shea butter and cocoa butter mix. So for your ingredients, we are going to need an essential oil. I chose rosemary. A carrier oil. I chose olive oil. You're also going to need organic African shea butter. It should be 100% organic. And cocoa butter, of course. For your tools, you're going to need a hand mixer. You can use a manual one. It doesn't have to be electric. It will just take a bit longer to make. A measuring cup. This one is measures 1 cup. A tablespoon. And you're going to also need empty containers. I choose a small one and a big one to keep the excess shea butter in. And then you're also going to need a mixing bowl and a pot. So you're also going to need like a plastic or something to use to strain your shea butter. If you do have this plastic, please do not use it, because I used this for the first time and it broke. It like burst open. It's very fragile. And I know my hands are ashy, but we're going to fix that, okay? So shall we begin? I think we should. So in your bowl, you're going to put 2 cups of your shea butter mix into the bowl. So while you're watching me put the shea butter in, I'm going to talk a little bit about shea butter, okay? So shea butter is highly moisturizing. It's an anti-inflammatory. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to heal burns, protect skin from free radicals, and it's really good for conditioning the hair. Especially, y'all know natural hair can be dry, so this is my love, y'all. It also is rich in vitamins A, E, and F, and it's used for eczema and psoriasis, which are very extreme forms of like dry skin. It relieves sunburn, and it's also natural SPF. Believe it or not, it's a natural SPF. It's good to protect your skin against the sun, and it's good for scars. It helps prevent bumps after shaving, and it also calms irritated skin. So overall, shea butter is a bae. So you're just gonna throw that in there, and then I'm going to take another cup, but I didn't show it there for some reason. So now we're going to use cocoa butter or cacao butter, as you can see there. Usually when it's called cacao butter, from what I've researched, it is its most raw form. So they're just the same thing, just this is more raw. And I love cocoa butter, first of all, because it smells so good. You know, it just smells like chocolate and chocolatey goodness. So I'm going to add about a cup into the bowl. So here are some benefits of cocoa butter. It aids in reducing hair loss. It reduces signs of aging such as wrinkles. It helps to reduce the appearance of scars, and it's also good at reducing inflammation of the skin. So there is my mixture ready to go. And now we're going to add our olive oil. Olive oil is fantastic for dandruff. It's great for split ends and aids in shiny hair, and it can also be used as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to add 4 spoons of my olive oil. So now we're going to add our rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is phenomenal. It has great properties. It's an antibacterial. It helps remove dandruff, and it's very good at stimulating hair growth. So I added about 10 drops in there. And we are done with the ingredients. So you're going to move over to your pot. You're going to fill it just about halfway. You're going to get your bowl, and you're going to place it at the top of this pot. The reason why I am not microwaving this is because I don't want it to destroy the natural vitamins that the shea butter has with that. So this is a better form of doing it. So you just have to be very careful with the steam. I did hurt myself quite a number of times. But you just want to be careful, and you just want to stir it as it's above the heat. As you can see, I had to reduce the heat at a point because it was just too much, but just keep stirring. This does take a bit of patience, but voila, it should be this consistency, and you keep it in the freezer for 30 minutes. And when it's done, it should look like this. It shouldn't be runny or anything, but it also shouldn't be so solid hard, you see. And yeah, so now I am going to do my favorite part, which is to whisk away my mixture. So you're going to be doing that. I don't remember how long this took me, but you just have to mix it until it gets to a very beautiful creamy consistency. And voila, you're done. So now you just want to scrape all that mixture into a bag. Make sure you get all of it, like all of it. Look at that creamy goodness, that buttery goodness. Shea butter, baby. Oh, scrape everything. Everything should go there, all that goodness. Yo, this is not edible. It does not taste nice, trust me. Anyways, so, well, actually it is edible now that I think of it. But no, just don't. It's not, just don't. But you see, I'm going to now make sure it's in my bag, and then I'm going to squeeze it into this container of mine, slowly but surely. Yes, look at that creaminess. Ooh, and y'all, this plastic bag gave me a lot of trouble. Never again. But it works, that's all that matters. So you just want to shake it. Make sure it's nicely mixed. I'm going to add every little bit of it in the bag. I end up putting the rest into another container, but at the end, this is how it should look like. And as promised, guys, I'm going to save my ashy hands, so I'm just going to rub it in nice. And a little goes a long way, so that's a nice thing about it. And you are done. Well done, you have made your shea butter and cocoa butter mix. Thank you so much for watching. I'd appreciate if you'd subscribe, like, press that notification bell, and share with a sister, a cousin, somebody. Thank you so much. Check out my last video. Bye.